The fourth function of an operating system is device management. It ensures devices like the keyboard, mouse, monitor, speakers, hard drive, network interface controller, and many others are available when you need them. For example, when you're typing text, saving a file, or watching a video. The operating system relies on device drivers to achieve this. Every device has its own driver. A device driver is a program that controls the input and output operations of a specific piece of hardware. It also enables movement of data between the device and the operating system, which in turn allows running applications to access the hardware. The operating system itself comes with lots of drivers to control a wide range of devices, so you could say that the device drivers are part of the operating system. However, some devices will look for specifically written drivers when they're connected for the first time. For example, if you connect a new gaming keyboard to your computer, or if you fit a new state-of-the-art GPU, the new device will probably request a driver that has been supplied by the hardware manufacturer. The operating system will ensure that the driver is installed properly and that it's updated when new versions become available. Device drivers are programs, so, just like other programs, they need to be allocated memory space and CPU time when they're running. The operating system takes care of this. Many drivers are automatically loaded into the RAM when the computer starts up. Here's a recap. It's the job of the operating system to control the computer's hardware. Device drivers handle input and output operations. They allow devices and the operating system to exchange data. Device drivers are installed and updated by the operating system, and the operating system controls their access to memory and the CPU, just like every other program.